Conditional and trigger splits customize someone's experience as they move through your flow, splitting content into distinct pathways. That way, two people can move through the same flow but have totally different experiences, receiving a series of messages that are specifically tailored for them. Let's walk through how to add a trigger split to your flow and how to add a conditional split to your flow. To start, here's a basic abandoned cart flow that's triggered when someone begins a checkout but never completes their order. The first split we will use to customize our flow is a trigger split. A trigger split separates your flow into two distinct paths based on a given activity someone has taken. As a result, it is only available for metric and price drop triggered flows that are triggered by direct actions. For example, let's say this is an abandoned cart flow for Bola's baked goods, and they want to switch up the messaging for high-value versus low-value shoppers. In that case, they'll add a trigger split into their flow and set the criteria around who will proceed down each path. In this case, anyone who adds more than $50 worth of baked goods to their cart will move down the high-value pathway. From there, they begin adding messages or actions to each flow pathway. They may curate messaging so high-value shoppers receive $10 off when they return to complete the order, whereas low-value cart abandoners may receive a different, less costly incentive, like free shipping. Okay, great. We have a trigger split in place and some personalized messaging. Now, let's dive into the next type of split available in Klaviyo, a conditional split. Conditional splits further divide your flow and can be applied to any flow type beyond just price drop and metric triggered flows. This time, the split is based not around the triggering event, but around the actual recipient moving through your flow. More specifically, you can build a conditional split based on a property about someone or an action they've taken. Again, we'll use an example from Bola's baked goods. This time, they want to further customize the high-value shopper pathway. Let's drag in a conditional split from the sidebar and drop it into one of the pathways. Their team has a brick-and-mortar storefront that many local shoppers go to, so they base their split around distance from the location of that store. If someone is within 15 miles of the store, they may receive messaging around in-store pickup options or local deals, only available to them, to encourage them to buy. Whereas those further away, and thus unlikely to shop in person, will continue to receive standard messaging that only pertains to their online storefront. The possibilities are truly endless when it comes to how you can split your flows and personalize each message. So get creative and try both of these splits in your own account today.